How to update Disney app on Firestick. Apps are getting update automatically. If it doesn't get auto update, follow the manual method. First, head over to Do Settings. Then you want to go over to Applications over here. And now you just want to go ahead and click on Manage Installed Application. Then scroll down and find the Disney application. Then head over to Uninstall and click Uninstall. Then click on Confirm. After that, go to Main Page. And head over on Find. Search the Disney app there. And download the application. Or if you want auto update, then go to Application. Then head over to App Store. At this point, you want to go ahead and make sure that automatic update is turned on. This means all the apps on your Fire TV stick will automatically update themselves. That's it. Thanks for watching.